there's something more important than the Bitcoin ETF, and that is more profits. No, joking aside, there's some really awesome stuff I want to talk to you guys today. So if you guys want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. But let's jump right into crypto news, exactly what's going on. So if you look over here, Zach Humphreys actually made an awesome video today on what we are seeing is this big multinational bank standard chartered gaming for 50 billion to 100 billion inflows into spot ETF. So this is huge, huge news. If the Bitcoin ETFs get approved, we look for about 50 to 100 billion added. Now, it's not 100 trillion as people expected, but it's definitely a very large amount of money, guys. And this is what we have been waiting for such a long time. And 50 to 100 billion is definitely a very big number, if you ask me. Like, look at this.
Coin over the next 24 months, make a huge push. Now, this is another topic. Again, there's more than meets the eye. This is going to be something really to track closely. It is Wall Street competing to offer cheap access to Bitcoin. It is all about...
So yeah, Wall Street is going to fight for that money. They know crypto can be making some money, and they're going to be fighting for it. They're really going to be fighting for basically the Bitcoin halving that's coming up. They're going to be preparing all that. That's why we're trying to get listed in January. Because once we get that, all these Wall Street bros are going to be probably going to say, hey, come buy our crypto, not theirs. And instead, it's probably going to be the same. The only difference is going to be fees and who holds them. And that's where I'm really excited to see like all these opportunities in that crypto space. Like there's going to be so many opportunities that people haven't been made aware of. But if you ask me, it's not going to matter in the end which institution you buy from. I think a lot of people watching this channel are already buying on crypto exchanges. The real difference it's going to make is the people who are buying. It's going to be senior, retired people. It's going to be older people in their 50s, 60s who just discovered crypto and been using brokerage for their whole life. If you've been drinking Coca-Cola for your entire life, are you going to switch to Pepsi? Absolutely not. And this is why they hold such a big market share. Same with crypto exchanges. Nobody knows how to use crypto exchanges. It's hard process to open one. And that's just the general truth about it. Now, once people start to realize, maybe I could actually focus on some awesome stuff, some awesome updates in that sense, well, that's when it really hits a mark in that sense. That's where it really has that price potential that people have been waiting for such a long time, guys. And I am definitely very hopeful in that sense to see some of these opportunities arise just as people wanted, just as people predicted.
Shall see. Now, what's awesome is there's more than meets the eye, because don't forget, we've got the Bitcoin halving coming up later this year.
So yeah, Bitcoin halving, I think all the big institutions are preparing for that. 50 to 100 billion inflow. They're trying to get the early buyers before the halving in. And that's really exciting if you ask me. That's promising. That's really promising. But that being said, I don't want to be sounding like a repeating book in that aspect. There is going to be still potential for crypto opportunists to come in, take that heavy market share. Especially Wall Street guys are basically going to be pumping this, saying the Bitcoin halving is coming up. Historically, it went up. We can't promise you returns, but crypto is definitely here to stay. It's definitely a very awesome year, and you can hear my voice. I'm very excited for that. I've been in crypto for about 3 years now, and if you want more content like this, smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated on this one.